At Colpatch, we turn your design into reality with precision and quality. Here's how our process works. First, we start with your vision. Our team will create a design draft, including your ideas and selected details, which we'll share with you for confirmation. This step is essential for setting the timeline, so please confirm promptly to keep things on track. Once confirmed, we immediately begin production, updating you with an estimated timeline and keeping you informed on progress. After the embroidery is completed, each item undergoes a strict quality inspection. We check every detail to ensure that each product meets your needs and expectations. Finally, we carefully pack your order and ship it to the agreed address. Why choose Colpatch? Since our establishment in 2013, we've proudly served many internationally renowned brands. We bring unmatched experience, quality, and reliability to every project, ensuring your designs are in expert hands. In a crowded market, Colpatch stands out as your trusted partner to bring your designs and business vision to life.